If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. As noted in an earlier lesson, after you install Adobe Acrobat, you can then click a button or link within the Print dialog box or pane of most desktop applications, often called Printer Properties, Page Setup, Settings, or something similar, depending on the application, to then open a dialog box that lets you adjust the printer settings for the Adobe PDF printer you use to convert documents to PDFs within that program. The Adobe PDF Settings tab within the Print Settings dialog box for the Adobe PDF printer lets you change the printer's PDF conversion settings. Note that these same settings appear in different areas when printing from many different types of applications, so it helps to learn the purpose of these settings since they appear in many places when creating PDFs. On the Adobe PDF Settings tab, to choose a PDF conversion settings preset, select a choice from the Default Settings dropdown. These presets include options that change the PDF print quality, color conversion, press quality, and file size. Optionally, to edit these preset settings or create custom settings, click the drop-down's adjacent Edit button to change these settings within the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box that then opens. We'll examine creating and saving these preset settings in the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box in separate lessons. To close the Adobe PDF Settings dialog box without saving your changes if you opened it, click the Cancel button at the bottom of the dialog box to return to the Adobe PDF Settings tab. To set the default security settings for PDF conversion, select a choice from the Adobe PDF Security dropdown. You can choose to apply no security, let Acrobat use the last known security settings, or let Acrobat prompt you to reconfirm the security settings for each job. If you select either the Reconfirm Security for each job or the Use the last known security settings choice, then you can click the adjacent Edit button to open the Adobe PDF Security dialog box where you can set the default security settings. To save and apply the security settings after making any desired changes if needed, then click the OK button. Alternatively, to close the dialog box without saving changes if needed, click the Cancel button. We'll examine security settings in the Document Protection and Security chapter. To choose how to set the PDF file name and folder location when saving a converted PDF, select a choice from the Adobe PDF Output folder dropdown. You can either choose to prompt for a file name or simply save the files to the Documents folder with the given file name by making a choice from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, to select a different default folder into which to save converted PDFs, click the adjacent Browse button to open a Browse for Folder dialog box, select the desired folder in this dialog box, and then click the OK button to apply it. To set the default page size for PDF files, select a choice from the Adobe PDF Page Size dropdown. To apply a custom page size, click the adjacent Add hyperlink to open the Add Custom Paper Size dialog box. Type a name for the custom paper size into the Paper Names drop-down field. Select a unit of measurement in the Unit section, and then enter the desired measurement units into the width and height fields. Then click the Add/Modify button to add the custom paper size to the Adobe PDF Page Size dropdown in the Adobe PDF Settings tab. Note you can modify and delete custom page sizes you created in the Add Custom Paper Size dialog box if needed, by using the drop-down in that dialog box to select a custom paper size, and then either making modifications and clicking the Add/Modify button again to modify it, or clicking the Delete button to delete it. If available, to choose if Acrobat should prompt to replace an existing PDF, select a choice from the Replace Existing PDF dropdown. The choices are Always, Ask Every Time, or Never. To then enable or disable the following settings on the Adobe PDF Settings tab, check or uncheck the checkboxes respectively. To show PDF conversion results in Acrobat, check the View Adobe PDF Results checkbox. To add metadata from the original file to the converted PDF, check the Add Document Information checkbox. To only use existing fonts from your computer to render a PDF, check the Rely on System Fonts Only, Do Not Use Document Fonts checkbox. Leave this option checked if working with Asian language documents. If unchecked, you can download fonts when creating a PDF, which takes longer, but makes all fonts in the original document available in the PDF. To delete the log files automatically after creating a PDF unless the PDF file creation fails, check the Delete Log Files for Successful Jobs checkbox. To apply the PDF conversion settings to the PDF printer on the Adobe PDF Settings tab, click the OK button within this tab. Alternatively, to cancel the changes, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.